Truth. When we look at it in its definition, it shows up in the law books uniquely. The fourth edition of Black's Law says truth is defined as the following. There are three conceptions as to what constitutes truth: agreement of thought and reality, eventual verification, and consistency of thought with itself. So when we look at that, we have to be very careful, because the legal world runs its own concept of things that appear to be real, but really are operating in fiction. In fact, they will call a fact factitious. It's as close as you can get to fiction within the realm of make-believe. So when we look at what are the three conceptions of what constitutes truth according to what we find in Black's Law Fourth, well, we'd have to agree that the thought and reality are together. So what is reality? Well, we can go to the Gage Canadian Dictionary, in fact, the Cambridge Gage Canadian Dictionary, and it says surname is name added to one's real name. So we'd have to take out that a surname is outside the edge of that, because a surname being defined as name added to one's real name would not fit in with what we would believe in truth and fact. So absolutely, we would have to agree that legal state personification or illegal state surnames are not fact. They are fiction, and therefore they would not be truth. So agreement of thought and reality can only relate to what is a given, which is a fact, which would be your God-given or forgiven Christian name. Eventual verification. Well, you'd have to verify that. Come forward, state that's who you are. And then it says, and consistency of thought with itself. Well, you'd have to be in consistency of thought with itself by how you proceed forward with what you now know is truth. So, very simple, the truth is what we've just looked in here. But when you take it down a legal direction, you could be in the confusion, because you could be confusing fact of what you are in a given situation, your forgiven name, confused and merged into what is a legal fiction surname, which is not a fact, it's factitious.